Hello students, welcome to Solves classes. Today we'll be solving the CSIR UGC-NET exam questions from the June 2015 paper. We'll be focusing only on the number theory questions today. The question that we'll be solving today is that if D is the set of tuples W1, W2 and it goes on up till W10 where Wi belongs to 1, 2 or 3 and I lies between 1 and 10, and it has also been given that Wi plus W of I plus 1 is an even number for each I where I lies between 1 and 9. The number of elements in the set D is option A 2 to the power 11 plus 1, option B 2 to the power 10 plus 1, option C 3 to the power 10 plus 1 and option D 3 to the power 11 plus of 1. So now we have to consider the things which are now the set D is basically of the form the set D is W1, W2, W3 and that goes on up till W10. So there are 10 elements over here, 10 elements. So now there may be two cases. Case 1. So now if W1 is even, so now we know that Wi belongs to 1, 2, 3. So if Wi is even, so basically that implies that W1 is equal to 2. Now if W1 is equal to 2, it has been said that it is given that W1 plus W2 is equal to 2 since Wi plus W of I plus 1 is even. Is not equal to 2, rather it is basically not 2. Let me rewrite this. This is not 2. Let me correct it. It is even. And now we already have taken the W1 is equal to 2 and W2 2 plus W2, that is some even number. So that implies that W2 is also an even number. Now W2 is an even number, so out of 1, 2, 3 it is only possible if W2 is equal to 2, and that will go on, and if we extrapolate it, we'll come down to that W1 will be equal to W2, which will be equal to W3, and that will go on, and every term will be equal and they will be equal to 2. So the possible tuple will be 2, 2, 2 and 2, 10 times. So therefore this is one tuple which satisfies the conditions that are given in the question. This is one tuple from case 1. Now for case 2, we'll assume that W1 is odd. Now if W1 is odd, that implies that W1 can either be 1 or 3. Now we have been given that W1 plus W2 is even. Now W1 is an odd number. This is basically an odd number. So if upon addition with some number, the sum is an even number, that implies that the number to which the W1 has been added, W2 is also odd. Now if W2 is odd, that implies that W2 is also either 1 or 3. So therefore W1 has also two choices, W2 has also two choices, and that will go on up till W10, that will also have two choices, either 1 or 3. So therefore each element has two choices. So therefore number of tuples will be equal to W1 will have two choice, W2 has two choice, W3 has two choice, and that will go on up till W10, 10 times, and this will be equal to 2 to the power 10. So as you already seen, we have 2 to the power 10 tuples for case 1 and 1 tuple for case 2. So therefore total number of tuples, which will be equal to the number of elements in D, that will be equal to 2 to the power 10 plus 1, which is nothing but the option B. So the option B is the correct option. So today we have solved a number theory question which came in the June 2015 paper of CSIR UGC NET JRF exam paper. We'll be solving the next questions in the subsequent videos. Till then, keep watching Software Class videos for more solutions and content. Thank you.